Keyword search provides the direct way to query the database viruSITE. Search terms are looked up in combination with search fields. So let's start with the basic search. For example, I'm looking for herpes viruses in the database. So I type herpes keyword and the search field will be virus name and launch the search. And here are the results. 65 viruses that contain keyword herpes in their name. The search output has tabular form, as you can see, and here are the basic information about viruses: their name, genome length, genome type, genes, proteins, and RNAs. The data in the table are sorted by clicking on the column title. So, for example, this way. User can also change the number of displayed results on page. So now I select this and now all 65 viruses are displayed on the page. Now let's refine the search procedure and search only for herpes viruses from human. So I add here new search field, host name, and type human and search. And you can see that only 9 herpes viruses do infect humans. Just for illustration, when I type Homo sapiens, I get exactly the same result. 9 viruses infecting human or Homo sapiens. Anytime I can download the search results in CSV format or sequences in FASTA format. Now I will try completely different search procedure. Let's say we want to get all viruses that have genome longer than 10,000 nucleotides but shorter than 20,000 nucleotides. So I do this way. Genome length more than 10,000 and genome length less than 20,000. Search, and here is the result. 677 viruses do satisfy this criteria. Okay. These were examples of virus-oriented search. Now I will try to search for genes or proteins. So for instance, genes or proteins containing the term code in their name. So I select gene protein name and type code keyword. And you can see that only 4 genes contain keyword code in their name, but more than 1,000 proteins do satisfy this criteria. Here are all those proteins. And finally, I will show you one more example for keyword search. Let's say I want to find all proteins with the function of DNA polymerase. In this case, I will use gene ontology term as search field, geo term, DNA polymerase, and search. And this is the search result. These are all the proteins that have molecular function of DNA polymerase. And this was the keyword search in viruSITE database.